Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2, 2.4, Lesson 3 Visions for India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the father of Integrated Guided Missile Program, states three visions for India based on the achievements and progress. He has witnessed the history of the nation, and during his own career as a missile scientist, Dr. Kalam three visions for India are freedom, development, and standing up. The focus of his presentation is on developing India to the fullest potential while standing up to the rest of the world with fully validated self respect for achievements that have been obtained in the modern times. So, here we'll see other points which have been discussed. In 3000 years, people from all over the world have come and invaded us. Right from Alexander, Greeks, Portuguese, British, French, and Dutch all have looted us and taken over what was ours. We have not conquered anyone. We have not grabbed their lands, their cultures, and their traditions, nor tried to force our way of life on them. So, the first vision for India is freedom. So, he believes in freedom as in 1857 we had started the War of Independence, but we must protect and nurture and build on. If we are not free, no one will respect us. My second vision for India is development. For 50 years, we have been a developing nation. It is a time to see ourselves as developed nation. We are among the top 5 nations in the world in terms of gross domestic product (GDP). Our poverty levels are falling and our achievements are being globally recognized today. We need to have self confidence, self reliance, and self assurance. India must stand up to the world. Only strength respects strength. We must be strong not only as military power but also as an economic power. Both go hand in hand. We are such a great nation. We have so many amazing success stories, but we refuse to acknowledge them. Why? We are the second largest producer of wheat in the world. We are second largest producer of rice. We are first in milk production. We are number one in remote sensing satellites. Dr. Sudarshan, he has transferred a tribal village into a self-driving unit. So we have done millions of achievements, but still we are always obsessed with bad news and failures and disasters. Why so? And even according to certain newspapers, like a lot of attacks, bombardments, and deaths have also taken place. But still, it it could be still details of killings which are buried among the other news. So why are we as a nation so obsessed with the foreign things? We want foreign TVs and foreign shirts with foreign technologies. Then do we not realize that self-respect comes from self-reliance? So for this, it's very important that we have to build a developed India and make it a very firm nation. Thank you.